This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Amazon gift cards to buy stuff. First, find the claim code on your gift card. It's usually a 16-character alphanumeric code. Then, go to the Amazon website or app, navigate to the gift cards section, and select Redeem a gift card. Enter your claim code carefully into the box provided and click Apply to your balance. Your gift card funds will then be instantly added to your Amazon account, ready for your next purchase. Once your gift card balance is loaded, you can start shopping. Browse millions of products across various categories. Add your chosen items to your shopping cart. When you're ready to complete your purchase, proceed to checkout. On the payment page, you'll see your gift card balance automatically applied to your order total. If your order exceeds the gift card amount, you can pay the remaining balance using another payment method, like a credit card, ensuring a smooth transaction. It's easy to keep track of your gift card balance. Simply visit the gift cards section in your Amazon account to view your current available funds. Remember, Amazon gift cards generally do not expire, and there are no service fees, so you can use them at your convenience. However, be aware that while most items are eligible, some specific third-party seller products or certain digital subscriptions might require a different payment method. If you encounter any issues, double-check that you've entered the 16-character claim code correctly, without any extra spaces or hyphens. If problems persist, Amazon's customer service is always available to help. For larger purchases, consider combining several gift cards onto one account to cover the full cost. This ensures a seamless checkout experience and helps you make the most of your gift card funds for whatever you need.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.